What's up guys, welcome back to the video, and today we'll be doing the 4 corner mythic challenge only. So we have Raspberry 260 will be going to Yacht, me myself going to Grotto, Daryl OMG going to Shark, and Daryl Ninja going to the Rig. And we all meet up in agency and try to get a dub. Hope you guys enjoy. Follow me on Instagram, Aryan_969. What's up guys, so we'll be doing the 4 corner mythic challenge only. Grotto is last stop, I don't think that anybody will be coming there. Shark is first stop. Pradeep, don't die. If you die, I'll belt you. But Grotto is last stop. Pradeep, try not die. The only player who can come back and save you is either you or me or Jan, because I tried to get Jan when he had gone to Shark when I was in Ring.
Even I can come.
If you guys do it quickly, then only I know like I know the whole map of Grotto. That's how I'm used to Grotto. I did that mythic challenge. Bro, oh my god, there's a whole squad coming to Grotto. Whole squad coming. But you can at least wait, chill there. No, there's a whole squad coming to Grotto. Or if they went to retail, I don't know. I don't know, did they go to retail? I heard a shot. Please. No opponent be there. I really wish there's no opponent. Deadpool and all crossplay I don't need. The only problem is I think I heard a player. Oh my god, Big Boy Brutus. I got Brutus. I killed Brutus already. I killed him. I killed him.
Exactly, how fast?
And I killed him. And I killed Brutus. Lol. Oh, you're racing Brutus, big boy? Nope. Take your back. Hey. I need all the mini ammo as I can. 8 Brutus. I'm done looting and I'm already in the circle, so no worry for me. I have got Brutus before you guys even landed. What? I don't think that anybody landed here. Where's the Volt key card? My ping is, I'm glitching now. Okay, I'm opening the Volt. Pratim, run away from there and kill the squad which is coming out. Wait, I'll try going to Pratim. Like, it'll take a lot of time, but Pratim, stay alive for some time. I'll come to you. What? You pickaxed TNT now? What? Then you pickaxed him. Her, sorry. You pickaxed her. What? You died? Yeah. You, bro. Just come out of the house where you are.
Guys, I've been needing shotgun ammo when we talk.
Shorty, okay guys, you're carrying a, I carried a scar. Hey, somebody shooting me. Oh jeez. Pratim. Yeah, just get on me and leave. Oh shit.
I'm on the chopper. I'm heading to A.
Yeah, I'm almost agency. I'm almost at you're at agency, Jen. I'm trying to get Midas also. Because I don't think anybody landed here. I don't think anybody. Yeah, I think everybody in here is alive. Oh my god, I see a proximity mine. I think somebody has put the trap there.
Jump my chopper and I'm here.
Somebody put a proximity mine down.
give me some.
Bro, somebody has placed proximity mine traps.
People were here.
Yeah, that's obvious. I see her. No, I don't see R.
Give me short ammo. Giant, right behind you.
Hey,
You're running everywhere.
I don't see any. I don't have mat. Can I have light ammo? Drop all your light ammo, boys. You guys got? You guys are fine?
Whoa, entire squad. Oh my god, dude. Squad. I need help. They have drum gun.
I got one. I got one. Kathim, you got it. They just. I got the guy with the scar. Jen, take care. I'll resist Tejas bot. I'm looking up. Oh, yeah, somebody shooting me. Just saying. It's like it's not the drum gun kid. It's somebody else. Where? Who was shooting me? Dan ping. Yeah, I can hear the drum gun kid. Yeah, he's there. Oh, Jen pumped him. Oh, drum gun.
Okay, I'll take the drum gun. Anyone wants to go to
Jen, take the shotty ammo. Hey, drop mini ammo. Everybody drop your mini ammo. Take shotty ammo. Yeah, I have 900. Jen, I'm coming to you. Can I have some more? Can I have some air ammo? I have only 342.
I don't have any. I need
Where?
air ammo, guys. Yeah, guys.
I have a drummy.
There's 4.
I dropped my scar for the drummy. I bagged 113. One guy scratched. Yeah. Oh my god, one kid lasered me. Like not exact laser. I'm taking my scar back for the drum gun. You guys want to keep the drum gun? Keep.
Yeah, I want drum gun.
I got lasered. Does anyone of you have big pot? I don't have any mat. I have 65 mat. Can you drop some mat?
I have very less maps.
I'm following.
Yeah, I have a launchy. You guys got launchy?
I have a launching. I need mat for launching. Drop some mat, guys. I'm going to the vault and checking. Come to the vault. Wait, come to the vault. Do not go, guys. Don't go.
Come back.
There's a bandy bazooka. Anybody wants to keep it?
That's all.
Dude, I need mat, bro. Can you guys drop at least 200 mat each? At least one person drop 200. One person drop 200. Yeah, that's enough, Jen. That's enough. Thank you, Lord. That's a lot.
I can't take the launchy.
Where's the launcher? Jen has no mat. Okay, fine. Let's go use the launcher and go. I'll follow Raspberry.
Where are we going?
I don't know.
They went up.
Look there.
Yeah.
Somewhere there. We follow the stairs. They may be shooting them up. I have a launch pad for that also. Miss Prati, I don't see Jayant anywhere. Where's Jayant? Jayant, why did you land there? Ah crap, I fell down. Just like me. Okay, we are two. I think this may be the game. Boys. What happened? Me and Pratim fell down there. I dropped my drum gun for this car. I needed a range weapon. Some range weapon. Tejas.
Me.
Oh, I heard a shot. Heard shot west. Shots west. I don't see any people west. I see shots. Who is Raspberry even shooting?
Look at the bush. There might be a bush.
I'm spraying there. Nobody.
There's no one.
But there's a kid somewhere there. Jen, take a look. Then Jen, try sniping. Nice one, Jen. I knew that you can do it. Oh, I heard a shot. I can see people shooting. Where? Oh, they're down. I get him. I lasered him. Bro, see me again. Stole my kill. Damn it. Bro, even somebody. I think that's what happens to me always. Everybody steals my done kill. Even again, Shao, you're the one who stole my kill. Get lost. I'm not giving you any AR ammo. I only have very less. Wait, Jen, use your sniper and scope in somewhere there. There.
Hey, Aryan, I have more mini ammo. You want?
Here, drop. I have 900.
You can't find it.
No, I have 993.
You have to join us.
I need some more. I need to farming up, bro. I have 100. I have 200 metal still, but I'm farming up. What happened? Please do not get kicked out of the game.
Behind you, Shahul.
I have 400 mod around. Oh shit, my PS4 is done heating. I think does the recording get cancelled when the PS4 is heating? Please,
Hey, chopper.
I'm farming up. Move to circle, guys. Move to circle, guys.
Alright, I dropped some mini ammo behind you.
I'm fine, I'm going 60 meter, but fine.
We are going to go to zone. Just pick up the mini ammo.
Yeah. Oh, I can hear I can hear the chopper now. Now I start hearing it. What?
I can't hear this.
Now it stopped. Now I could not hear it. I think they stopped driving it and corrupt. I have around 400 mat. 200 wood, 200 metal.
Everyone has a launch pad.
I have a launch pad. I have one. No, obviously, dude, you know, a bolt has. Then I'm coming to you. Wait, Jen, wait. Bro, why is my PS4 heating like mad? Then we can easily see it. Please, my recording should not get cancelled. If it gets cancelled, you know, I'm going to recording mode and I'll do the sound effects myself. Jan, don't go too close.
Keep jumping, guys. Keep jumping.
Oh yeah. There's some kid next to the water. One kid is tagged. No, one kid is tagged 59. Oh my god, I got sniped. I'm having the medkit. I have 3 medkits. Dude, they are RPGing me.
They're RPGing you.
Help me. Even one guy shot hard for me. I tagged him 59, like the headshot 59 with this car. Just having my medkit quick.
One tap.
Nice one. Jan, I'm coming to you, chill. Jan, stay. You guys keep the fight. You guys keep the fight on.
One guy's cracked.
Guys, don't die. Both of you don't die. I'm hitting the res on Jan. Jan, you have a medkit? I'll drop your medkit. I just told don't. Shit.
I use one tap. That's
Pratim, the TNT landed on you.
Pratik, what are you doing there?
Oh,
お前はもう死んでいる。何？大あたくびできれば。
No, Jan got us knocked. Yeah, crazy. Get both. One kid is swimming. Kill both. How in the world do you think we'll reboot? Jan, come and hit the rest. I don't think so. We'll be able to reboot. I'll just count this as 4 corner challenge if we win. No, just count it.
Use someone
Chill.
take the.
I will launch you.
Take the guns.
Yeah, I'll carry it.
Take
Jan,
this car, tire, and drum.
Jan,
You have to carry all the guns.
I have drum gun. Okay, fine.
Giant
Anyway,
has been everything gun. Giant has been
last squad. Jan, you launch pad
You
it.
guys not take Deadpool's hand easy. You guys not
Leave
take
it. Still counted. Who cares? I don't see Deadpool handy ever. Jan, I'm coming to you. Why you push alone? You see them? Yeah, I see one petal wing. I mean neon wings thing. Petal wings. Oh what? That kid glitched hard. Oh, my ping is again 1200. My ping is again 1200. Obviously. My ping is 1200. I don't know. Am I dead yet? So am I. Bro, my ping is so high. My ping is legit so high. Bro, my ping is so high.